Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate with Gimp. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, create a file and now you will get this blank white sheet. The way animation work is you are going to make separate layers and these layers are going to act as a single frame in your animation. If you leave the background alpha, then the animation will stack on the top of each other. But if you make the background solid color or a solid background, no transparency, then they will actually look more animated. Now, to get the animation to work, we are going to click Filters, Animation, and then Playback. Now you will see the animation is playing back for you. In the bottom left, you can see some different tools which will help you choose the frames per second as well as the speed to play it back. Another thing you can do with animation is you can check filters. You can click filters, animation and optimize for GIF. This will help by making the file smaller but also wrapping the canvas size to be only the size that you need for this animation. The trick I always like to use is creating a layer and setting the opacity to 50%. And then go ahead and duplicate that layer many times until you have enough to complete the animation or at least get started on it. And this will let you have the onion skin effect where you can see the previous frame but still see what you are drawing. Once you are done with all of your drawing and you've checked the playback and it looks good and you want to export it, click on File, Export As, and then you are going to change this little drop down on the bottom to say GIF and name it whatever you want and then simply tap on this export and that's pretty much it. That's how to animate with GIMP. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.